Hi, I'm Curtis Craig. I'm president and founder of Inferno Solar. We have been incredibly fortunate and privileged to have worked with some wonderful partners over the years. Some names you might recognize, TELUS. York Realty is a big player in the Alberta industrial market. We just finished a project for Yokohama Tire for Distribution Now, a division of NOV. Done multiple projects with Silent Air, a division of Johnson Controls. Multiple projects with North American Construction Group, another Alberta success story. They're out in Atchison. Recently wrapped up a project for Vic West Building Supplies in 2023, also for Canada ICI. Ice Cream Depot, they're a big refrigeration group in Leduc County. BB Distribution in Freudenberg. Really too many awesome businesses to name, but for a complete list, go to our webpage, www.infernosolar.com/projects, to see the complete listing of the awesome companies that we've worked for in our 5 years of business in Alberta.